Almost had it. They did leave the fuel on for the entire time it's been sitting out here.
I shut it off and turned it back. Why is my points not wanting to move like it should?
So Chris has got a 1953 Ford Jubilee here. The customer came to pick this up today. This was dropped off to have a clutch put in it. And he did some front tires and a few other small things to it. And they decided they were going to try to drive this tractor after sitting for at least a year at the shop here, but I'm guessing quite a bit longer than that. 12 miles home. And they made it to the general store before it started acting up on us. So we got it back here. We definitely have ignition-related issues right now. Whoever's been in this before us had the distributor way out of time. So instead of fighting with it and messing with somebody else's problems, we've decided we're just going to retime the distributor ourselves, reset the points ourselves, and just, we know that it's right then and that no one's been hacking at it and guessing at it before. So we'll see what we can get done with it.
Got a little mess, but it's running. It's a lot better off than what we were. I can't believe they set the fucking distributor wrong.
So we got a bit of a misfire here, you can hear it. So just grab the thermal gun. Hot, cold, cold, hot. So these two cylinders right there are a misfire. These things can make life so much easier. Alright, let's see what we got now. So much more even heat through the center here. It's running a lot smoother. So it's a lot easier to diagnose a misfire on something like this. As long as the engine's cold when you're starting, you can see now that we have a nice even heat all the way across it. So we have the tractor driving again, and my right brake does nothing. My left brake stops, but it doesn't return. So it drives good now, it doesn't stop. So we'll see about fixing that too, I guess. We have brakes again, so I'm pretty happy about that. It even stops going downhill. That's a win. All right, well, I'd say the brakes are adjusted good now. Drive it back to the shop.